In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your Shopify store with Judge.me. Having product reviews on your store is one of the easiest ways to build trust and boost conversions, and Judge.me is a popular app that makes this really straightforward. I'll walk you through the full process, from installing the app to importing your existing reviews, so you can get everything displaying on your product pages as quickly as possible. First, head over to the Shopify App Store in your browser. In the search bar, type Judge.me product reviews. Look for the official Judge.me product reviews app and open its page. Here you'll see an overview of features, screenshots, and pricing. When you're ready, click the install button. If you're not already logged into your Shopify store, you'll be prompted to log in and then confirm that you want to install the app. Approve the permissions so Judge.me can connect to your store and your products. Once the installation is complete, you'll be taken into your Shopify admin with Judge.me added under the Apps section. On the left-hand side of your Shopify dashboard, find the Apps menu and click on Judge.me to open it. Inside the Judge.me dashboard, look for the Review section in the left-hand column and click on it. This is where you'll manage, moderate, and import your reviews. Next, we're going to bring in your existing reviews. In the Judge.me interface, find the option that says Import Reviews and click on it. This tells Judge.me that you want to upload reviews instead of starting completely from scratch. You'll now see different import options. Click on Import from Platforms. This is where you choose whether your reviews are coming from another review platform, from a spreadsheet file, or from another store. If you already have your reviews saved in a CSV or spreadsheet, you'll use that option. If your reviews live on another platform or on a different store, you'll select the appropriate source here. Finally, Judge.me will show you a list of platforms you can import from. Select the platform that matches where your reviews currently are. Follow the on-screen prompts. This may involve uploading a file or connecting an integration. Once the import finishes, your product reviews will be associated with the correct products in Shopify and can start displaying on your storefront. And that's it. You've installed Judge.me, opened the review section, and imported your reviews so they're ready